How to fix Instagram story music not working. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Instagram story music not working. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and here you want to search for Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app and this problem will also be solved. Once it has been updated, launch open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines. Once you get here, scroll all the way down. Here, find the option of help, select that. Now, you will find the option of report a problem, select that. Tap on report problem without shaking. Now tap on include or don't include. Here you want to briefly explain your problem. Go ahead and explain that you're facing the problem of Instagram story music not working. You can also attach a screenshot if you want. Then tap on the send option. Now Instagram support team will take a look and help you fix this problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.